Okay, so we've talked about a few things here. We've talked about what are references, how do we cite references, and we've talked about use of AI. Now let's just spend a moment talking about the type of writing I want to see for your final project. So in scientific writing, we use kind of a semi-formal writing style. You're not going to see like first person writing, really. It'll be more formal than the way you speak. What else am I looking for? A good story, right? I want you to have fun, and I want to see that you're having fun in your writing. So make your story interesting. And in order for it to be interesting to me, it probably first needs to be interesting to you, right? I want you to demonstrate the learning outcomes, and this will be clear from the rubrics. So I will provide you very clear rubrics in the rubric folder, right? What do I want you to talk about in terms of the history of the drug? What do I want you to demonstrate about the science of the drug? That should all be clear to you. And if you have questions, you know you can always come to me. And then, of course, I want the writing to be appropriate for the average college reader. I am not expecting you to write at the scientific level that I can write at. That's unreasonable. And also, I don't want to read a bunch of papers like that. Let's be real. I want to read a paper that's appropriate for your level of writing. Don't feel like I expect more than a good college level essay, okay? What am I not looking for? I am not looking for you to use a bunch of big words. That kind of language often comes off unnaturally. I don't need to see that. I just need to read something that makes sense. I am looking for quantity over quality. So you see, I'm not going to be emphasizing how long these papers need to be. I just care about, do you have the appropriate content? And I've already said this, but you're not writing for a scientific audience. You are not writing a paper that I will write, right? You're writing a paper that you would be able to write. Feel confident that those are my expectations. Let's wrap it up, folks. For your final projects, you are going to be writing a paper that discusses the history, the science, and the social implications of a drug. I want to reiterate, this should be fun for you. This should be interesting. Yes, it is work, but it kind of should be fun work. And you'll use what you learn while writing this paper to form a shorter final presentation for all of your peers to learn about. We discussed use of the internet to find appropriate references. We discussed how to write references. We discussed how AI can be used this semester for your papers. And please write in a way that's comfortable for you. With that, I leave you with this AI-generated cat. See you in class.